Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. Today I will show you how to permanently delete your Microsoft account in 2025 step by step. Whether you are switching to a different account or just cleaning up your digital life, I have got you covered. Before you delete Microsoft account, here are few things you should do first. Backup your data from OneDrive, Outlook and any Microsoft apps. Cancel any subscription linked to your account like Microsoft 365. Use remaining gift card balance or Microsoft rewards. Let your contact know, especially if you use Outlook or Skype. Remove the account from all devices, PC, Xbox, mobile, etc. Alright, once you are ready, follow these steps. Go to Microsoft account closer page by visiting this link. Sign in with Microsoft account you want to delete if you are not logged in. It's the same information that I have discussed with you already. It's like cancelling subscription and other. Just click next. On this page, you will see info about losing access to Xbox, OneDrive, Outlook, etc. Tick all the checkboxes to acknowledge each item. Choose a reason for closing your account. I'll go with this one. Click on Mark Account for Closure. At last, you will be taken to this page, where you will get information about when your account will be deleted. Microsoft gives you a 60-day grace period. If you change your mind, you can sign in again to cancel the deletion. And that's it. Your Microsoft account is now marked for closure. After 60 days, it will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to recover anything. I hope this video helped you out, and if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.